Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's going to show you how to sell AI pics and potentially earn up to $500 in a month. That's right, we're diving into the world of AI-generated artwork and the amazing opportunities it offers. So if you're ready to turn your artistic skills into a side hustle, stick around. But before we jump into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos filled with tips and strategies for creative success. Or if you want a complete course on how to sell AI pics and videos, to comment below. We will make a course for you. Alright, let's get started. Selling AI pics can be an exciting way to monetize your artistic abilities. Today, we'll walk you through the process and show you some popular platforms where you can sell your AI-generated artwork. Online marketplaces. One of the easiest ways to sell your AI pics is through online marketplaces. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon allow you to create your own listings and reach a wide range of potential buyers. These platforms have a large user base actively looking for unique and creative artwork. NFT marketplaces. If you want to explore the world of digital ownership and unique digital assets, NFT marketplaces are the way to go. Non-fungible tokens provide a way to prove the authenticity and ownership of digital creations. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare specialize in NFT sales and can help you reach a dedicated audience interested in owning AI-generated art. AI art platforms. Specific platforms have emerged that cater specifically to AI-generated art. These platforms provide a community of artists and buyers interested in this unique form of creativity. Art, AI Gallery, AI Art House, and deepart.io are just a few examples of platforms where you can showcase and sell your AI pics to an engaged audience. Social media and personal websites. Don't underestimate the power of social media and having your own website. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook can be excellent channels to showcase your AI pics, build a following, and connect with potential buyers. Additionally, having a personal website allows you to have full control over your brand and showcase your artwork in a unique way. And there you have it! A comprehensive guide on selling AI pics and potentially earning up to $500 in a month. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, creativity, and consistent effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow creators who might be interested in exploring the world of AI-generated art. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have those notifications turned on, so you won't miss any of our future videos that empower you to unleash your creativity. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide has inspired you to start selling your AI pics and open up new opportunities. Remember to check out the platforms we mentioned in the video and find the ones that align with your goals and artistic style. If you have any questions or experiences to share, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and engage with our amazing community. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep selling those fantastic AI pics. See you in the next video. And this video is generated through AI. If you want to learn how to generate this type of video, please comment on this video. I will make a video on this topic. Thanks.